Hi there. My name is Carla Robin, and I'm running for councillor in the upcoming Township of Langley election. I'd like to have your vote so I can represent your issues and concerns in the council chamber. I have a lot to offer the township people. I've got over 30 years of experience in land development, property management, and construction. I've also got 20 years of experience in the horse industry and agriculture, and those are really important aspects of our community. I've done a lot of volunteering, and I've been involved in charity work and nonprofits for many, many years. I've also got a lot of common sense, and I think that's what the people are looking for. There's a lot of issues that need to be addressed in the township. We're looking at Langley becoming a huge part of the south of the Fraser economic zone, and we have a big role to play there. That's why we need some really key people to get in there and make this happen for Langley. We need to address the real value of farmland for the future, as we have an irreplaceable opportunity to expand agri-food production, agritourism, and save farmland for the future. There are also some initiatives that can be done that can keep our property taxes down, and those are things like the implementation of a property endowment trust fund, the one that Mayor Rick Green has been talking about during his entire term. Transportation, trains, water management, bylaws all need to really be addressed as part of our official community plans. And the people of Langley really need to have a say in this. So please make sure that you do. It's a really important election that's coming up on November the 19th, and I am asking you to vote for myself and the other candidates that Vote Langley Now. Give us a 3-year term, and you will see that we can make some really positive actions and changes in the township. This is our town too. It's yours. And let's just do something positive for Langley. Check out our website at votelangleynow.com, and please vote for me on November 19th. Thank you.